What's up everyone, this is Chaoticsonics. Today I'm going to show you how to make this CyberpunkBlazeWave kick with the razor blade. My goal with this sound was to create a deep dark kick with some robotic and metallic sounding tones. Envelope 1 is set to the filter cutoff with random and res. Envelope 2 is set to the pitch of all oscillators and to the volume of oscillator 2 and 3 with random. The effects I'm using is Patcher with epic reverb. And Tantrum. Temper is a free alternative, but it doesn't sound the same. Also as an extra, the tone knob is automated using the Fruity controller, and I use the layer VST. The next effect is Ferric TDS MK2. An over-the-top compressor. And FabFilter Pro Q3. I'm also adding in a real drum kick too called Organic Calfskin Kit, a free high-quality drum kit with different sets and unique sounds. And I'm using FreeG and Density MK3. Comment, rate, share, subscribe, and stay safe.